Ellie here. Let's get ready for one more game. Alright, so as you guys may have known from the previous video, just the fact that, you know, it's too big or heavy for you to maneuver. So yes, in fact, there is a alternative. We did get a new one right over here, and I will show you that in a second. And it is the 68-1 PHB ball machine with the auto swing. It is on Amazon as well, but for a much exponentially less price. So here we go. This is going for $113 right now, and it is on an Amazon sale, on an Amazon Prime sale for $113, but original price is $119. So it's not too much of a savings right there.
As opposed to
the $2,000 Ace Titan Ace pickleball machine here. So let's just see how this machine measures up. And of course I'm struggling, and it is upside down, but not to worry. I have yet to know what this looks like. I see it from the Amazon, you know, listing itself, but I'm just gonna lift this up. Already I don't like the experience, just because everything is too condensed and compact. But here is the main Dookie hunky-dory thing right here. There's the on and off switch. I'm seeing there's
two of them.
There's actually two of them, so I guess I'm gonna have to read the manual. Then there's these parts right here. Oh Jesus, it's like that game when you were super young and you had the marble and the colored, you know, plastic devices. I'm assuming that goes. Again, it's also 95 degrees out, so this is very weird. All right, so we have this basically assembled. It's kind of on, oops, I already don't like that. It's very cheap plastic, I gotta say, but again, it is $113. All right, so we have this. One of the things that it does state is you have to have a battery pack right here. So lucky I have this on me, again, in my other video that I always bring it with me in my handy dandy pickleball bag. All right, so I wasn't so sure how many balls this took, but I'm just gonna fill this up with my 100 balls here. And again, this does not compete or compare to the Titan Ace that has 100 balls. But then again, that was the Titan Ace. All right, so now we're gonna go in and see how this functions. We got, I guess, a couple settings here. This is without reading the manual. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's just set it on 2, I guess, for example.
This right here, I think, powers this thing, and this at the bottom piece makes this pivot back and forth. This one right here. Yeah, so that's what that does. So
all
I
right.
can turn.
So is it where I turn that on and then I run and then hope?
It's not gonna fire it far, I don't think, but let's try it. Just press the button. Let's see how far it goes.
Pressing the button. Okay, so it kind of does like maybe drops and dinks, I assume. I'm gonna give it a shot and put it over.
To the top one.
Yep, I'm going to refill this. All right, so I have my paddle and also my handy dandy video man with a tennis ball. We aren't playing tennis. He's going to continuously feed this, so you can see how many balls it holds right now. This is what, 4, 8, 12, 16, maybe 20 balls at a time. So what he's gonna do, unlike the last time, he's gonna press the on button, and then I'm already gonna be over there, so I'm going to be ready, unlike the other video that I wasn't ready for it. All right, so ready, cameraman?
I'm ready.
I want you to also notice that this machine is closer at the net instead of the Titan, which is also at the baseline. So I can't gauge the distance with the cheaper one here. I don't think it would go to the baseline. That's what I'm already
ready
testing out. Yep. All right, ready. So I don't like that there's no app, there's no pace settings. It's just a consistent, you know, feed, which can be really good. One thing I do want to mention though, it is really good if you are on a tight or lower budget. This is a pretty quick solution, alternative. I like this, but it's pretty slow. I haven't turned on the rotating one. Oops, I just hit it. Here we go. All right, let's see if it does. I don't think it does overhead. I think this is just a one style shot as well. and I'm hitting them out of bounds, so I don't like that. Maybe I'll do a little more of a roll with this. There we go. The one thing I don't like I sometimes that you have to continuously feed it. The cameraman is continuously feeding it, but I don't like that it doesn't give you the option to have any other different heights with it as well. It's just one steady motion. Try doing the rotating one. All right, now we're gonna do the rotating feature. So let's see what that does. And I just hit the cameraman in the gonads.
Yeah, you did.
Ooh, that had a better angle. Okay, all right. So I wonder if there's a height. Huh. It still gives me a challenge. I'm still working out. Okay, that had great angle. I like the unexpected angles that it gives me. This is good. Ooh! It made me have to run a little bit. I wonder if this can give me an overhead.
I can't.
Last one. Hi guys. All right, so now the really unenjoyable part of the pickleball practicing and drilling is picking up the balls. So I had around, I think maybe 40 balls, and here we go. They are all sporadically on the court. But you know what we have? We have the pickleball retriever. That is what's called on Amazon. So go big or go home. We did get this. This is about $40 on Amazon, and it actually picks up 40 pickleball balls. So let's see. I broke a nail, guys. Okay. Wow, all that. All that box. Don't you love it? Okay, I'm assuming this becomes the bag. Here becomes the bag. And then this is the rod. All right, so now we have it mostly 98% assembled. Easy, basically.
Like me.
Like my cameraman. All right, so let's see if this actually works. Ooh, I like it. It reminds me of tennis. When you have a ball hopper, it's basically the same thing. Now, the ball hopper in tennis has a metal in between it, so you can, puncture through and collect the balls. This actually works really well, guys. I noticed how I'm also short, so I don't have to bend over, but I barely have to bend over at all. Just like realistically, no bending over, just picking up. This is super easy. I love it. And my only thing about this is it is picking up the balls. My only thing about it is you're playing pickleball, you should be active. So why can't you be active to pick up the balls? I think that's a lazy cop out. But that's just me. I'm showing that it works. We did get this. Oh, there's more balls. Let's see. Let's see how many we actually did. Can we exceed the capacity of 40? I'm not so sure. It looks like we did. Oh, we have to get those. Well, lucky we have a ball hopper. Well, pickleball retriever, I should say. Yeah, but this, I gotta say, this does make it fun. All right, so now we got all our balls in a sack. Pun intended. All right, so let me know what you think of it. If you do get it, I want to know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if there's any other equipment or any other pickleball related questions you might have for me to review or to answer, just let me know down in the comments below. Dispenser, more or less. It was PH118 or something like that. So one thing I gotta say is, yeah, it is really good for the beginners. I do think that it's really good for beginners. I think the assembly was really difficult. It kind of goes into each other like this, and maybe that was just during the whole distribution of the balls. But I do gotta say, overall, I would give this a 6 or 6.5 out of 10, just because it did do what it's supposed to do. It distributed, it hit. Now, if you are going to be focusing more on your dinks and up in the kitchen line, then this is going to be the, this is definitely going to be the product for you to work on. Again, it is $113. It's not too bad.
Can't expect much.
But you can't expect too much for $113. And it doesn't, again, come with a battery pack. You do need your own battery pack, so that is a downside of it. Again, this also hopper doesn't come with it, but I will have both links down below in the description if you want to grab those. The affiliate link down there. Full disclosure, I do get a little pay from that, but thank you so much for supporting as always. So if you really are on a, a tight budget, you can always have your husband or your cameraman actually be the ball dispenser. So we're going to show you what that looks like right now. All right. And try not to hit your ball dispenser as well, because it will break or they will get mad at you. And you might not get food the next day. Oh, that was a ball dispenser, not me. There we go. All right, ball dispenser, I want a little higher. All right, maybe a little higher. There we go. Ooh. There we go. We got 2 left. All right, he's scared. And that was it.